What's up guys, Cole Custer here. One of my favorite things to do in a race car is some donuts. So today we're gonna make a donut burger. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna set our grill to 400 degrees. Get it set up there. And now we're gonna take the patties out. We're gonna start seasoning them. All right, so we're gonna take our patties out here. 8 beef patties. We're gonna use our Pit Boss barbecue rub here. Get that nice and good on there. Rub her in, both sides. Some delicious garlic, salt, and pepper, all incorporated in these patties. Now I'm gonna do this for all the other 8 patties here in the tray. Thinking back now, I would say probably most memorable donut in my racing career would be winning the championship at Phoenix in 2023 for Xfinity Series. So hopefully these things taste as good as that day. All right, grill's up to temp. We're gonna put these babies on. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna let the Pit Boss do the work. Once the patties are getting close to done, what I do like to do is try and open up the flame broiler a little bit, get a nice little sear on them. All right, so we're gonna get rid of our tray now since we got our burgers all in there, and we're gonna move on to the donuts, the most important part. So we got donuts already sliced, pre-sliced, got them buttered already. We're gonna throw them on the griddle. All right, now we're gonna put these babies on there, slice side down. All right, we're gonna make sure that we got this on medium heat here. And then we're gonna let these things sit and let them eat. All right, so now we're gonna flip the burgers here. They're looking nice. Flame broiler's going good. Woo! All right, now just finishing them off. All right, burgers are done. We're gonna put them in the tray here. Turned out nice. Looking pretty good. All right, now we're gonna grab our donuts. All right, we're ready to rock. Now let's get to building this donut burger. We're gonna get our patties on our first donuts there. Then we're gonna get this jam here. Got our onion jam. Can't go wrong. If you want to find the recipe for this, it's in the description below. Now we're gonna get our Havarti cheese. Sprinkle some of this on there. Now our bacon. You gotta have bacon. Gotta have bacon on a burger. That's what makes the whole thing. And now the onions. Got some crispy onions here. A little bit of that on top. Now, this is the most important part. We're gonna stack them right on top of each other, and then we're gonna finish it off with the one on top. That's our donut burger. All right, we got all 4 of our donut burgers made here. Thank you, Pit Boss. This was amazing. Can't wait to get to the racetrack, do some donuts, and dig into these things. Get our toothpicks out. All right, dig into this thing. That's a burger right there.